Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to create a part sequence manually, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before all of that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. So if we head into the program here, now this is from our previous video on how to clear the whole sequence. So I'm just gonna remove these shapes quick, and then let's add maybe 3 of these, so we can just look at wait, this is the dimensions. Let me get 200, and then we want to add 3 of these. I'm gonna go manual 3, add, and just add these shapes quickly to our actual canvas or our cutting sheet. So now if we had to preview this, by default, if we go to CAM, we can already see over here the direction, and if we go to the actual preview, we can see it cuts it from the left and then it goes to the right, which is pretty standard. That is, like I said, depending on your origin point. So I'm just going to go back into CAM. And then what we can do, if we want to use this feature, let me go there, you can see create part sequence manually. Now, how this pretty much works, it can be a bit confusing at first, but I would recommend first select your shapes in the order that you wanted to cut. So let's say we want to do exact reverse. So I can select from the right, and then second one, third one, and then we want to click this little button. Then it's going to ask us click on each of the parts. I'm going to say yes. And then if I had to go now to the NC, we should notice, okay, sometimes it does do that. It's a bit buggy. So what I found, if it doesn't give you a preview, then what you want to do is do that again. We select it and then we go click yes, and then I would click it again and say yes. So in my opinion, then sometimes it works better, but let's just see if I'm correct this time. Okay, still not. Still giving me a buggy thing. Like I said, this sequence, unfortunately, okay, now it's reset it. It's a bit buggy, but I've gotten it to work a few times, so just bear with me. Maybe by the time you watch this video, it works a bit better. So I'm just going to go out. This time I'm going to click it first, then do the sequence, click it again, say yes, and let's see if it's working this time. Still nothing. Now let's try one more. I'm gonna this time select all of them, click yes again, and this one I'm gonna leave everything selected and just see if we have, there we go. Now we've got a updated sequence. So perhaps that is the way to solve it. Let's try that. I'm gonna go back to CAM. See, go back to CAM. So see, we don't see any sequence now. Like I say, keep in mind this thing is a bit buggy. So let's just try. I'm going to set a random sequence now. So middle, right, left. Say yes, and do it once more. Keep it selected and say the NC and see what we have. Okay, middle, right, left. Okay, so that definitely works. So it seemed like the workflow perhaps is you select it in order. Click the button. I would say do it twice just to be secure, and then you leave it selected when you preview. Now like I said, when you do it, try it. It might be a bit more sorted. I'm obviously using the latest version, which sometimes they still have some bug fixing to do, unless I'm just missing something. But if I look at how the whole sequence works, then this one should be working very similar. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the part sequence. Like I said, just a quick recap. So select in the order you want it while in CAM. Select the feature, say yes, do it twice, leave everything selected, and then you can preview it. But yeah, otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.